You've spent good money on a blender, and it still leaves chunks in your smoothie. Here's the thing. Not every blender is built the same, and picking the wrong one means you're stuck with a machine that can't crush ice, can't handle frozen fruit, and honestly, just wastes counter space. So today, we're breaking down the top 5 best blenders of 2026. Tested, ranked, no fluff. And our number 1 pick? It's not the one most people expect. Let's get into it. But before we jump into the list, there are a few things worth knowing so you pick the right blenders for your kitchen. Tip 1. If you're blending for more than 2 people regularly, you need a full-size blender with at least 1,000 watts. Anything less, and you'll feel it. Tip 2. Don't overlook the jar design. A wider base moves ingredients toward the blade better, which means smoother results every single time. Tip 3. And always check what the blender can actually handle. Ice crushing, hot soups, and nut butters all require different levels of power and blade strength. Okay, now let's get into the list. Number 5. The Cleanblend Classic Commercial Blender. If you want serious, restaurant-style power at home without jumping straight into high-end Vitamix pricing, this is one of the strongest values out there. It's a tall, no-frills 64-ounce countertop blender with chunky manual controls, a solid base, and a BPA-free pitcher that feels basically unbreakable. Inside, you've got an 1,800-watt, 3-horsepower motor driving an 8-blade stainless assembly, so it looks and feels more like pro kitchen gear than a typical home blender. There's no fancy screen or presets here, just a big dial, switches, and a jar that drops straight onto the base so you can move fast. That 3-horsepower motor has the torque to tear through frozen fruit, nuts, and tough veggies, so you're not babysitting it or stirring every few seconds. Variable speed plus a strong pulse mode give you control over texture, whether you're making chunky salsa or smoother than average green smoothies. It's designed as an all-in-one workhorse, crushing ice, blending hot soups, making nut milks and nut butters, and even grinding tougher ingredients in big batches. And the included tamper, nut milk bag, and easy rinse pitcher make it friendly for heavy daily use, from home meal prep to small cafe service. Now here's where I have to be honest with you. The overall refinement and safety are a step behind premium brands. There's no positive lock sound, minimal child safety, and it doesn't crush ice quite as consistently smooth as the top-tier machines. One verified buyer who's used it every day for over a year on veggie smoothies said it blends everything from dates to frozen broccoli smoothly, and praised Cleanblend's fast response when they needed a replacement pitcher. Another reviewer runs 4 of these in a high-volume Mexican restaurant and called them workhorses, handling frozen margaritas, silky salsas, and even rice for horchata, with motors still going strong after several years. At the end of the day, who is this actually for? Buy it if you want big batch, commercial-style power and versatility at a more approachable price, and you don't mind a louder, more old-school machine. Don't buy it if you care more about ultra-smooth ice crushing, quiet operation, and advanced safety features than raw performance. Next up, and honestly, this one surprised me at number 4. Number 4. The KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. If you want a blender that actually looks good on your counter and still has the muscle for daily smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces, this one hits a really nice sweet spot. The K400 has that classic KitchenAid vibe, rounded edges, metal base, and color options that match their stand mixers, so it feels more like part of the kitchen than a random appliance. You get a thick 56-ounce ribbed glass jar that creates a vortex, pulling ingredients down into the asymmetric blade that cuts at 4 different angles. Underneath, the IntelliSpeed motor senses what's inside and automatically adjusts speed so it can power through tougher ingredients like kale and almonds without dancing around the counter. The 3-part blending system, ribbed jar, asymmetric blade, and smart motor, lets it turn tricky smoothie add-ins like flax seeds and leafy greens into a surprisingly smooth texture. A 5-speed variable dial plus 3 presets, Ice Crush, Icy Drink, and Smoothie make it easy to go from chunky salsa to silky shakes without overthinking settings. The soft start feature kicks in gently, pulling ingredients toward the blades before ramping up, which really helps cut down on splatter and stuff stuck on the lid moments. And between the simple self-clean style cycle and compatibility with optional small batch and personal size jars, it's flexible enough for both single smoothies and party pitchers. Now here's where I have to be honest with you. While it blends really well, the controls can feel a bit less responsive than you'd expect. It's on the louder side at full tilt, and it doesn't get sauces and soups quite as ultra smooth as the top performers on this list. One buyer called it the best blender they've ever used. Heavy, durable, great for smoothies, salsas, and acai bowls, with presets that actually work and blades that pull everything down for even blending. Though they did wish it were quieter and worried a bit about the plastic gear over time. Another reviewer said it makes perfect restaurant-style margaritas fast, praised how solid and stable it feels, and loved that it looks good on the counter and doesn't hog space, even if the upfront price is higher than a basic blender. Honestly, should you spend your money on this? Buy it if you want a stylish, everyday blender that crushes ice, handles tough smoothie ingredients, and matches a KitchenAid-centric kitchen without jumping into pro-level pricing. Don't buy it if you need ultra-refined textures for things like pureed soups all the time, want the quietest possible blender, or care more about advanced features than design and simplicity. Now, number 3 is where things really get interesting. Number 3. The Breville Super Q. If you want near commercial power at home, but with smarter controls and less noise than most pro blenders, this is where things get serious. It has a premium stainless steel base, with a clean digital display and clearly labeled buttons. No guessing what does what. You get a big 68-ounce jar, plus a 24-ounce personal cup, and the base automatically recognizes which one you're using. It's definitely large and heavy, so this is more of a permanent countertop machine. The 1,800-watt motor absolutely flies through ice, frozen fruit, and fibrous greens for super smooth blends. 5 one-touch programs, including separate smoothie and green smoothie modes, make it almost foolproof. 12 manual speed settings give you real control for nut butters, sauces, frozen desserts, and more. And the noise suppression, plus auto-clean function, make daily use way more convenient than you'd expect at this power level. Now here's where I have to be honest with you. It's bulky, expensive for some budgets, and takes up serious counter space. One buyer said it pulverizes tough veggies into completely smooth drinks and feels powerful, yet not overwhelmingly loud. They also praised the clean button and overall design, but admitted it's a splurge purchase. Here's the truth nobody tells you about this one. Buy it if you want high-end performance, clear presets, and quieter operation in a do-it-all blender. Don't buy it if space is tight, or you just need something basic for occasional smoothies. And now, let's move on to number 2. Number 2. The Vitamix Ascent Series A3500. If you want true pro-level blending at home, ultra-smooth results, smart features, and long-term durability, this is where Vitamix earns its reputation. It has a sleek touchscreen with a central dial, giving it a clean, modern look. The 64-ounce low-profile container is engineered to create that signature Vitamix vortex for consistent blending. Built-in wireless connectivity lets the base detect the container size and adjust automatically. The 2.2 horsepower motor powers through frozen fruit, grains, and tough greens, with incredibly smooth results. 5 presets: smoothies, hot soups, dips, frozen desserts, and self-clean make it easy to press and walk away. Blade friction heating can turn cold ingredients into hot soup in just minutes. And the programmable timer helps you avoid over or under blending. Now here's where I have to be honest with you. It's loud at high speeds, and the price puts it firmly in premium territory. One long-term owner said after 2 years, they wouldn't use anything else, praising its smooth textures and versatility. They admitted it's expensive, but felt the performance justified the investment. Honestly, should you spend your money on this? Buy it if you want elite blending performance and plan to use it constantly. Don't buy it if you just need a simple smoothie blender and want to spend less. And now, let's move on to number 1. Number 1. The Cuisinart Hurricane CBT-1500P1. If you want the best balance of power, speed, and price, without paying premium Vitamix money, this is the one that impressed us the most overall. It packs a 2.25 peak horsepower motor into a solid, compact base that doesn't take over your counter. The 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar has a soft grip handle and a tight seal lid with an access cap for adding liquid mid-blend. The double housing design helps reduce noise, and the electronic touchpad with LCD timer keeps everything simple and intuitive. It makes seriously smooth smoothies, wiping out frozen fruit, almonds, kale, and flax in about a minute with no leftover bits. The Ice Crush preset turns multiple cups of ice into fine, snow-like texture in just seconds. Automatic load sensing tech adjusts power as it blends, keeping things consistent without excessive shaking. And the countdown timer, plus simple low, high, and pulse controls, make it powerful without being complicated. Now here's where I have to be honest with you. It doesn't offer as many speed levels or advanced presets as higher-end competitors, and long-term durability feedback is mixed. One daily user said it senses when ingredients are processed and increases speed gradually, praising the Metal Gear system and stable performance. Others loved the smooth results and value for money, though some reported reliability issues after months of use. At the end of the day, who is this actually for? Buy it if you want strong blending performance, fast ice crushing, and great overall value in a straightforward machine. Don't buy it if you want tons of advanced presets, ultra-quiet operation, or the longest possible warranty. And that's our top pick for 2026. So those are the top 5 best blenders of 2026, from budget-friendly powerhouses to true professional-grade machines. If you want the best overall balance of performance and value, the Cuisinart Hurricane is a strong pick. But if you're chasing elite smoothness and long-term durability, Vitamix and Breville absolutely deliver. You'll find links to all 5 down in the description below. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what are you blending most this year? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.